Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chef Connie, with lots of yum for you. And today we're going to make a delicious, easy chocolate mousse recipe. Yum, yes, the family will love it, you will love it. A delicious dessert made out of real chocolate chips and real cream. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna dive right into this video. Recipe, we need 8 ounces of chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, and I have 8 ounces of chocolate. Yes, chocolate chips, yum! And we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So here we go, our 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt, I have that, and 3 cups of heavy cream. So I have my 3 cups of heavy, well actually 2 cups here because I had to divide it, but it's 3 cups of heavy cream, 2 there and 1 here because we're going to put 1 on the stove and we're going to go to the stove and warm this up and then put it into our chips. So there's a reason for that 1 cup sitting off to the side, but it's 3 cups total. And then a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And we also have a hand mixer. So we're going to be making lots of deliciousness. All right, let's get ready. Dive into this video and make all this deliciousness. I'll meet you at the stove. Hi everyone, welcome back. And we're at the stove. I'm going to turn this fire on. One of my favorite things to do. And I'm going to pour this cream into, this is 1 cup of this heavy cream, into this little saucepan. Make sure we get it all out of the cup. This heavy cream is very, very thick. So we're going to warm this cream up and bring it to a small simmer. As soon as it starts to simmer, we're going to pour it into our chocolate. So this is 1 cup of heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. I'm going to wait for it to come to a simmer, and then, which takes a couple of minutes, and then right into those chocolate chips. Okay, I can see that our cream is starting to get warm. I'm going to turn it down a little bit, but it is starting to get warm and simmer. Needs to get a little bit warmer. Okay, our cream is starting to simmer now, and I'm going to go ahead and turn off the fire and pour it into our chocolate chips. Oh wow, they are already starting to melt, which is a good thing. So I will meet you guys back into our working area where we will finish up this recipe. Okay everyone, we're going to stir. These are melting, so we're going to stir this real good and incorporate the cream and the chocolate together. While you're doing that, I'm going to add the vanilla and our pinch of salt to this. And then make sure we scrape down the sides of the bowl and get everything incorporated real well. You're going to stir this. You can use your spatula or a wire whisk, and you're going to stir this until it's smooth. Okay? I have my spatula. I want to make sure I do the sides, and then you keep stirring it until it's smooth. Okay? This looks very well incorporated, and it's looking very smooth. Beautiful. Now I'm I'm gonna take it and put this in the fridge. It's nice and smooth, looks very good. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for approximately 20 minutes. It's nice and smooth, it looks like pudding. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. While that's in the fridge, we're gonna take our other 2 cups of heavy cream and put them in this mixing bowl. And then I'm going to take the mixer and going to whip this. And I'm also going to put in our powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar in here as well. And then I'm going to whip this into whipping cream. I want to put something underneath this bowl so we don't have to hear the bowl banging against the counter. All right, here we go. And we're going to be doing this until our whipped cream and our powdered sugar is incorporated and forms little peaks. Here we go. Hi everyone. So I found myself mixing this on high for approximately 8 minutes. So based on the speed, which I had it at, I have level 1 through 5 on my mixer. I had it on level 4 and that was up to 8 minutes. So you want to mix it until you get stiff peaks. You see that? I'm gonna smooth this over. And then you can go like that and they stand up like that, okay? That's considered stiff peaks. So our whipped cream is ready. I'm gonna move my mixer over. And our chocolate has been in for approximately 20 minutes. So I'm going to get it out. I've got it out of the refrigerator and just gotta give it one last final mix. Okay. And then what you want to do is after you give it one last final mix, I'm going to take and remove some of our whipped cream. I'm going to put it in this container. There was whipped cream in there. Take out half of our whipped cream because what you're going to do is use it for you're going to use it, half of the whipped cream for the topping of your dessert. Okay, so there's half of our whipped cream, and then the other half of the whipped cream, I'm going to take it and mix it with our chocolate. So I'm going to fold the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. I'm going to put it all on one side of my bowl. Okay. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay. So I have half chocolate mixture, half whipped cream, and now I'm going to fold the chocolate mixture into my whipped cream. Smells good, looks good, until it's incorporated. Okay, so I have my chocolate mixture and whipped cream incorporated together. And then I'm gonna get out my cute little cups that I got because I'm going to have some friends over tonight for dessert, for dinner. I have these cute little dessert cups. So let me get a spoon. been ready. All right, so I have a spoon and I will be spooning in. Glad this cup is wide. Beautiful. I'm gonna sit these in the fridge. Cover them with plastic. Sit them in the fridge. I'm just gonna sit these in the fridge. I'll cover them with plastic in a few seconds. Sit your dessert in the fridge. I'm gonna get the one out that I have that's already ready. So I have one that's already set and ready. Put this whipped cream on top of it, the white whipped cream. So what you want to do is, as you have your dessert sitting in the fridge, you want to sit the rest of your whipped cream in a container and sit this in the fridge as well in a covered container. So when you get ready to serve to your guests, you have it nice and cold. And put that right on top of your dessert. And I'm gonna put a fruit on top of the dessert. You want it to look pretty, be fancy. Okay, so here we go with the raspberry. Oh, beautiful. And there we go. Very nice. This was an easy dessert. Let me bring the camera up. So here we go, folks. This was a quick and easy dessert. Lots of fun, delicious chocolate. We're gonna taste it right now. Let me get a spoon that I can dirty up. I'm not gonna put it back into anything. I'll put this in the sink. But this dessert, I'm going to try and do the delicious test. I know you wish you were here. Here we go. Oh my goodness. This is delicious. So I'm gonna be cleaning up this mess. I'm gonna make some more cups with this bowl. But here, this one right here is mine and I'm not sharing it. It's delicious. So thanks for watching. One more. Deliciousness. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to ring the bell, do the bell notification button so that you will know when I come out with more quick and easy and fun, delicious videos. Okay?